So, this video is on the lymphatic system, which I hope you're able to tell by this title. The lymphatic system is the system in your body that gets rid of toxins, wastes, and other unwanted materials such as fat. It also transports lymph throughout your body. Lymph is a white liquid that has white blood cells in it. The lymphatic system is not one of the most well-known systems, but it is nonetheless important. On the right is a vial of lymph. I don't know why someone would have that in their house, but there it is for you to see. The lymphatic system is made of many different organs. One of these is the lymphatic vessels. There are two types of them, afferent and efferent. Afferent vessels go from tissues to lymph nodes. Efferent vessels go from lymph nodes to all the other parts of the body. These lymphatic vessels are similar to blood vessels. As blood vessels lead to and from the heart, lymphatic vessels lead to and from lymph nodes. Lymph nodes are tiny structures in your body that filter lymph. They also create lymphocytes, which are a specialized type of white blood cells. There are many kinds of lymphocytes. There's B cells, M cells, T cells, and natural killer cells. Natural killer cells are a special kind of lymphocyte, which do what their name says. Kill. Natural killer cells make infected cells, such as cancer cells, commit suicide, or apoptosis. They use a special chemical to do this. They're found throughout your body, in your neck, armpit, chest, abdomen, and groin areas. Like the lymphatic vessels are similar to blood vessels, lymph nodes are similar to the kidneys. They're both bean-shaped, and, just like the kidneys filter blood, the lymph nodes filter lymph. Here are some more parts of the lymphatic system. Another lymphatic organ in the body is the spleen. It's the largest lymphatic organ in the body. The spleen has many jobs in the body. It controls the number of red blood cells in the body, it controls the blood storage, and it fights infections using the white blood cells it created. The spleen will control the number of red blood cells by having white blood cells break down old or damaged red blood cells. The spleen will fight infections by creating more white blood cells, which produce antibodies, which stop the infection. One fun fact is that you can still live without a spleen if you get it removed. Another fun fact is that the word spleen can be used as a substitute for anger or annoyance, such as, the man vented his spleen on his annoying neighbor. So, let's move on to the thymus. Another organ in the lymphatic system is the thymus. It stores immature white blood cells and produces T cells, which fight cancer cells. It also produces thymosin, which is what it uses to make T cells different than other cells. However, the thymus is gone after puberty, but by then you have made all the T cells you need, and they move to lymph nodes or other parts of the body. Here are some final parts of the lymphatic system. The tonsils are often referred to as the first line of defense for the body because the M cells collect pathogens that enter. The pathogens are then presented to T and B cells. The B cells will tell the body how to get prepared for them and how to defeat them. When they take out your tonsils, your immune system still works fine, so I guess they don't take out the parts that are part of the lymphatic system. On the other hand, the appendix doesn't really have any function as a lymphatic organ. It's mostly just classified as one because it's made of lymphatic tissue. There's also lymphatic tissue in your digestive tract. These patches help to produce white blood cells. Some of these patches in your digestive tract are your Peyer's patches, lamina propria lymphocytes, and intraepithelial lymphocytes. One last part of the lymphatic system that I've included in this video is your bone marrow. I've included it because it can make stem cells, which can turn into white blood cells. Of the organisms in this world, not many have a lymphatic system. Only chordates, such as mammals and birds, and also arthropods, such as insects, have one. However, other organisms do have other defenses, such as skin, to keep out viruses. In conclusion, the lymphatic system is the system that helps keep your body running by protecting it from diseases and infections. The lymphatic system has some similarities to the cardiovascular system, in the way that it transports lymph like the cardiovascular system transports blood throughout the body. And that's all I have to say about the lymphatic system. So, the end.